Hello everyone, welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. How are you doing today? Hope you're doing great. I'm going to be sharing with you a typing job where you can earn up to $36 every hour. This is a job that anyone can do. You don't need any experience to get hired on this platform. You don't need degree to also get hired on this platform. It's available worldwide, so make sure you watch this video to the end as I'm going to be sharing with you details, all you need to know, and eventually how you can earn massively on this website. The name of the website is GoTranscript. Once you open your browser, you type gotranscript.com/transcription-jobs. You're going to see this website here. This website is hiring for transcriptionists worldwide, and like I said, you don't need any experience to get hired on this website. So join this website and be a part of their global team of professional transcriptionists. This platform is a thriving web-based transcriptionist and translation company where they are always looking to fill their open freelance transcription job so they can grow their team and keep pace with customer orders. So if you're a skilled transcriptionist who takes pride in your work and you want to make a difference in the world, they want you to transcribe with them. You can earn up to 0.60 cents per audio or video minute. Okay, so this is what you can earn in a minute. So for an hour, you can earn up to $36. 0.60 times 60 minutes, which is an hour, will give you $36 per hour. You can also earn an average of $150 a month, and the top monthly earnings ranges up to $1,215. So there is a caution here that buying and selling a GoTranscript account is illegal. So if you buy an account, you will lose money because they have implemented safeguards to prevent illegal purchases. So in case one has an account and wants to sell it to you, please flee from that, okay? Once you sign up, you're going to get a verification email. They're going to send you an SMS with a code. So you will need to enter the code to verify that it is your phone. So please note that SMS delivery can take a minute or more. You're also going to have a face photo during registration and also a real-time photo with verification code written on paper. You can do this job from home. All you need is a computer and an internet connection. And you can get paid reliably where you receive weekly payouts via PayPal for all the work completed. You can work flexible hours where you work as much or as little as you want whenever you want it. You can also receive great support. So their fantastic support team resolves issues promptly. You can freely choose which project to work on. And also you can grow your skills where you receive regular feedback and learn from the rest of the team. You can also enjoy work variety. You can transcribe a police investigation one day and book research the next day. So they have varieties of transcription jobs where you can work for. So you are not regulated to a particular type of transcription job. They have numerous and varieties where you can choose from. You can also stay busy because they have steady streams of projects waiting for you. Again, they have streams of projects, so it's not like you'll be waiting for jobs to be sent to you. At every point in time, they have jobs readily available for you to work on. It's an online job where you get new transcribing jobs every day and you always have something to work on. So they have language transcription jobs here: Arabic language, Danish, French, Italian, Spanish, Chinese, Dutch, German, Japanese, Sweden, Croatian, Indian, Greek, Korean, Tajik, Czech, Finnish, Hebrew, Norwegian, and Uzbek. Okay, so these are the language transcription job they have on this platform. Let's look at the frequently asked questions to get more details about this website. What vacancies are available? They are currently only hiring for transcriber positions, okay? This company called GoTranscripts are into transcription and also translation. They do translation of languages and they also do transcription. There's a difference between transcribing and translation. Transcribing is basically listening to an audio or video, okay, then putting down what you hear. While translation is to take, for instance, a language. All you have to do, if you have the knowledge of that language, is to rewrite that language in another language. Take for instance, you might be asked to rewrite English into Spanish or rewrite German into Spanish. Okay, so something like that. What are their payment modes? Okay, they pay via PayPal or Payoneer. So if you don't have PayPal, okay, you can create a Payoneer account. So Payoneer account is a kind of payment mode that you can basically, receive payment from anywhere you are in the world. What is the payment rate? They pay for the work done. The average payment rate is $0.6 per minute of audio transcribed. Okay, so per minute, what they pay is $0.6. And like I said earlier, for an hour, you're going to get $36 per hour. When will you get paid? Payments are generally every Friday. This platform pays weekly, right? How much do you have to work? As much as you want and whenever you want. This is a freelance job. So the amount of money you intend making on this website is solely dependent on you. If you want to make as much money as possible, that means you have to put in the work. So the more you work, the more you earn. The less you work, the less you earn. This is how the nature of the job is. Do you hire worldwide? Yes. So this is available worldwide. Do you need to pay any fee? No, you don't need to pay any fee. Do you have to upload any file yourself? No, file upload sessions are for clients. Take for instance, a client wants to seek their services for any transcription job. So the client have to upload the file for the transcriptionist like you to help transcribe, the file, right? Do you take care of taxes? No, this is a freelance job and all taxes are handled by yourself. Can you have multiple accounts on GoTranscript? No, that is against their rules. All applications submitted from the same IP are declined. Can you work with multiple languages? Yes. You can choose as many jobs as you want. It's all dependent on you. Can you use your phone to work? Yes, but they recommend using a laptop or PC to use their transcription tool efficiently. Do you need any equipment? Just your PC, other device, and a set of headphones. Can you use a foot pedal? Yes. What is the application process for English transcriber? You're going to sign up and register. Okay, then you go to this website, highlighted website here. So you might be taken to the other form after this step. Ignore that and follow the step described here. You study the guidelines on this website here. Then study the samples that are in the guidelines. You take the text on this website and click on apply now and select your language. Which foreign languages are you hiring for and what is the application process? You're going to sign up and register on GoTranscript website. So to check if there is a test available for your language, you go to this website here, okay? Then you click on apply now and check the list. You created a customer and client account. What should you do? There are no separate client and employee account. Upon signing up, all accounts are the same, but you can get to see the work session where you pass your test, okay? Do you have to get all the questions in the quiz right? Yes. You get the wrong answers, error. Is that right? It means that you answered one or a few of the questions incorrectly. The quiz is working as it should be. There are no bugs and technical faults. Can you choose multiple answers? Yes, some questions might have several correct answers and you have to mark all the correct options to pass. Why is the quality of the audio test so bad? They usually get great recordings, but they also work in files that are not as clear. So they need to know you can handle those kind of jobs using guidelines you have studied. When and how will you get test results? They review both English and foreign language applications manually, so it might take up to 30 to 60 days to get your results. Results are sent by email, so check your spam folder too. You can also check your application status from the test page. If you see an error message saying that they are checking your application, it means that it's still pending. So if you see the audio file and your previous submission, it means that your application was declined and you can take the test again. If you are accepted, the error message will say you are a transcriber, you don't need to do test. You will also get to see the work session you are accepted. What is the minimum accuracy rate needed to pass? At least 95%. If you fail, can you take the test again? Yes, you can use the same account to take the test again. Do not create multiple accounts, as this will get your application declined automatically. So please, it's very important that you keep to their rules and regulations, okay? So as you guys can see, this is a perfectly legitimate website where you cannot just behave anyhow, okay? And remember, you're going to write a test to know how fast you are in typing. Remember, this is a typing job where they have to assess you to know how fast you can type, okay? I feel this is basically what anyone can do. Just listening to an audio, then transcribing it into a text, okay? You don't have to crack your brain doing other things. All you have to do is to have a good listening skill to hear and to put down exactly what you had. Virtually anyone can do this kind of job, okay? You don't need any experience to get accepted. Just work on your listening skill and you'll be fine on this platform. So apply for this job. All you need to do is to go here that says apply now, then you click on it. So once you click on it, you choose your language, take for instance English. Once you choose your language, okay, you're going to see a form like this where you have to create an account, okay? You fill in your email, your password, then you sign up. So once you sign up, they're going to send you a verification link and also an SMS link to confirm whether you are the owner of your phone and whether you are the owner of your email. Work on your listening skills and also work on your typing skills, and you'll be fine on this platform, okay? So if you're interested in this kind of job, please don't hesitate to apply, and as well share this information with as many persons as possible. Thank you so much, and see you guys in my next one. Have a lovely day and bye for now.